while sa preparation sa exam, parang
Mm.
nag-focus na lang talaga ako sa review. Parang yung na siya na gumawa ng lahat. Yun talaga,
Wow.
grateful talaga ako. Hindi ako nahirapan. Walang hassle sa akin kasi parang na siya na problema lahat.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. With me is Nurse Sindren Mendoza Bernardo, RN, USRN from Zamboanga City, Philippines. We have assisted Nurse Sindren with her next generation NCLEX application process. And today, she will share her journey of becoming a USRN. How are you, ma'am? Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning. I'm Sindel Mendoza Bernardo. Bago lang po ako nakapasa sa NCLEX.
Wow, wow. Congratulations, ma'am. First, ma'am, we would like to know the reason what motivates you to take the NCLEX and become a registered nurse in the US po.
To be honest, sir, I really want to help my father kasi namatay na yung mother ko, sir. So, kami na lang tatlo na iwan. Tapos yung kapatid ko, special child pa siya, tapos may maintenance pa siya. So, naisip ko, kailangan ko tulungan yung father ko. Kaya yun, sabi ko, kailangan ko bumalik sa nursing. Kasi nag-stop man ako, yung graduate ako 2008 pa. Then, I stopped working 2016 kasi nag-try ako mag-small business. Then, nung pandemic, parang humina ba siya, sir? Sabi ko, parang this is not enough. Sabi ko, kailangan ko bumalik sa nursing, tapos mag-take ng NCLEX para maka-work sa labas.
So you are currently working po, ma'am? Currently
No,
working?
sir. No, sir. As in, yung nagtayo lang naman ako ng sari-sari store, sir. Sinara ko yun, sir, kasi I really focus on my review.
Wow. Wow, that's good to
Dami
know.
ko sacrifices talaga. Kasi nung una, hindi ko siya sinara. Nagre-review ako, then while nagbabantay doon, hindi ako makakonsentrate, sir. Tapos parati ko nakakalimutan yung inaral ko. Sabi ko, I really have to stop. Talaga, isara siya. Tapos focus na lang talaga sa review.
Okay. How do you manage your time, ma'am? Did you create your study guide? What are your materials po in preparing for your NCLEX po?
Nag-enroll ako sa sa review center.
Wow.
Nung nag-enroll ako last March pa, sir. Parang almost 1 year ako nag-review dun sa review center. Kasi unlimited. Kasi nung una kasi mababa pa yung scores ko. Siyempre, 2008 pa ako graduate. Hindi ako fresh graduate. Tapos matagal na ako sa wala sa hospital. Kaya yun, sabi ko, inaral ko talaga. Inulit-ulit ko sa. Kaya nilagay ko sa wall ko, sir, yung mga cranial nerves, mga love values para maalala ko siya.
All of these things, ma'am, lahat ng sacrifice ninyo for 1 year is worth it naman po. Kasi you are now a USRN. And how does it feel, ma'am? We wanted to know more about during the examination day. How do you manage yourself? And then, nung nalaman mo na yung result ng exam, how does it feel?
Yung exam day, sir, as in, di ba yung schedule ko, 10:45 a.m. Sabi ng tatay ko, punta na daw kami 9. So, ninervous talaga ako. Hindi pa ako ready pa. Natatakot talaga. Pero pumunta kami doon mga 9:30. Yung tatay ko, hindi siya pwede pumasok. So, doon lang siya sa labas. So, ako lang pumasok doon. Tapos, bawal na pala yung cellphone doon. Kailangan i-off. As in, lahat ng things, kailangan pala ilagay sa locker. Yun, doon process pa lang, sir. Parang nakakatakot na. Kasi, di ba, yung parang siyang magkuha ka ng passport, yung kamay mo, nila si sensor, yung face mo. Doon pa lang, nakakatakot to, sir. Tapos i-check nila yung damit mo kung may may lectures, mga ganon. Yun pa lang, nakaka-nervous na talaga. Tapos nung pumasok na kami sa room, sabi ni ma'am, yung proctor, sabi ko, start na ito, ma'am. Sabi niya, umupog na daw doon, start na talaga. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, ito na pala, this is it. Kaya yun na. Kahit hindi pa ako ready, nervous ako. Na lang talaga, nag-pray na lang talaga ako, sir.
Wow, wow. So, talagang para sa iyo is nakakatakot yung experience.
Nakakatakot talaga, sir.
Oo. Anong number po kayo nag-stop, ma'am, and how many hours?
Yun talaga, sir, kasi sa review, yung mga classmate ko dun sa review, usually, nag-85 stop na sila, sir.
Mm-mm.
Ako, sobrang mahirap yung questions. Sabi kasi sa review, pag sa SATA, kung hindi ka sure, it's either i-choose mo lang isa lang or dalawa.
Mm-mm.
Na yung, ako mostly yung SATA ko kasi hindi ako sure, yung parang 50-50 kasi kung dalawa o tatlo ko to, baka mamali pa ako, masiro pa ako.
Yeah.
Kaya mostly, isa-isa lang yung chinik ko, sir. Tapos nung nag-85, tapos nag-proceed ako sa 86, parang sobrang lungkot talaga ako, sir. Sabi ko, oh my God, I think I'm failing. Parang wala. Tapos nung napunta na sa 90, 100, yun na talaga, sir. Parang nawalan na ako ng pag-asa. Tapos ang hirap na ng mga tanong. Sabi ko, sige na lang, parang tapusin ko na lang talaga to. Tapos nung umabot ng 150, gusto ko na talaga umiyak. Kasi sabi ko, oh my God. Kasi sabi kasi sa review, pag 150, parang, oh my gosh, parang mas nakakatakot na yun. Parang it's a bad sign. Tapos yung last question ko, madali pa. Sabi kasi nila, pag madali yung question, yun na. It's a bad sign that you're failing. Sabi ko, oh my God. Pero nag-stop ko sa 150. Tapos sabi ko, bahala na. Mag-pray na lang talaga ako.
So you are hoping talaga na mag-stop ka ng 85.
Yes, sir. Kasi yung parang, yung sure lang ako yung chine-check ko doon. Ang dami kasing case study, sir. Nahihirapan talaga ako. Tapos yung description, yung symptom, sobrang tricky, sobrang vague. Yung parang, malalaman mo yung correct answer sa last na. Sabi ko, mali ako doon. Sabi ko, mali yung first answer ko. Grabe mo talaga. Sobrang hirap talaga, sir.
Nung na-receive mo yung result ng exam and you passed, kahit 150 ka nag-stop, anong nasabi mo sa sarili mo and how does it feel?
Kaya nga, nag-reply ko sa National. Sabi, thank you, National. Is this real? I still can't believe ako, is this real? Kasi hindi ako makapaniwala. Nag-150 ako. Parang, tapos madali yung question sa number 150. Sabi ko, oh my gosh. Parang may high chance talaga na hindi ako makapasa kasi madali yung question sa last. Kaya sabi ko sa Nasha, is this real?
It's real.
Sabi ko, is this really real? Parang hindi ako makapaniwala talaga, sir.
Wow. So talagang binigay yun ni Lord sa'yo. Despite of the challenges, and despite of the examination day ng 150 ka nag-stop and
sir.
85, ang feel mo sa sarili mo na wala na, hindi na ako papasa nito. But after seeing the result, after checking the result, after receiving the result, you pass the NCLEX and you cannot believe it, no? Talagang confirm mo pa if it's real, and it's real. You are now a USRN.
Until now, sir, hindi pa ako makapaniwala. Pero parang binabasa ko ulit yung message ng Nacha, parang congratulations, parang inuulit ko pa rin, sir, kasi hindi ko makapaniwala talaga.
Talagang para sa'yo yun, ma'am. Basta pinag-pray mo, ibibigay yan sa'yo.
Yes, sir. Thank you talaga, sir, sa Nasha.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for that one, ma'am. And all of this application process, all of these challenges that you have, can you tell us more in detail how Nasha helps you with the processing from getting your approval, from scheduling your exam, from checking your result, all the motivation and support and reminders of Nasha in order for you to pass the NCLEX. Can you tell us more about it, ma'am?
Kasi sir, di ba sir, 2008 pa ako graduate. Parang hindi ko alam paano i-process yung NCLEX kasi matagal na ako wala sa nursing field. Kaya yun, nag-Google ako tapos hanggang sa napunta ko sa Facebook page ng Nasha.
Wow.
Tapos nag-message ako sa Nasha, tapos yun na binigay nila yung requirements, tapos yung magpunta ko sa school, kunin ko yung QR, as in, sobrang, hindi ko talaga alam, parati ako mag-message sa kanila, tama na ba to, ma'am? Tama na ba to? Parang, as in, patiently, they replied, hindi sila nainis sa mga questions ko, kasi, hindi ko talaga kung anong gagawin, sir, parang, lahat talaga. While sa preparation sa exam, parang nag-focus na lang talaga ako sa review. Parang yung Nasha na gumawa ng lahat. Yun talaga, grateful talaga ako. Hindi ako nahirapan. Walang hassle sa akin kasi parang Nasha na ang problema lahat. Sila na nag-process lahat. Parang update na lang sila. Ma'am, may 80 tick ka na. Parang ganyan, kailan mo gusto mag-exam. Parang gano'n, lahat na talaga. Pasensya talaga sila sa akin. Kasi nung dumating yung 80 tick ko, parang hindi pa ako ready, sir. Parang, yung scores ko, parang sabi ko, hindi pa talaga. Sabi ko sa Nasha, pwede wag muna tayo mag-schedule. Sabi niya, yes ma'am, kayo bahala. Parang, I will decide daw kung kailan ko gusto. Hanggang sa, yun na sir, nag-decide ako April. this
Wow.
year.
And yun naman talaga ang goal ni Nasha, ma'am. We're not just a processing company that we process your application. We wanted to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad, na yung goal namin is focus ka na lang sa exam preparation and review mo. And as much as possible, one take tayo sa NCLEX, and you did it. One take. No,
Yun
you
lang ang sabi ni Nasha, nung sabi ko, hindi pa ako ready. Sabi niya, yes ma'am, sige, pasensya lang tayo. Kasi yung goal natin is one take. Kaya yun.
Wow. Thank you so much for the appreciation, ma'am. We are happy and fortunate that we have guided you with your NCLEX exam application. You are now a USRN, and moving forward with your visa screen or license endorsement process, andito pa rin kami para tumulong po sa inyo. Ma'am, lastly, maraming mga nurses might the same experience sa'yo. They are not working or they're not practicing their profession as a registered nurse and now planning to take the NCLEX or planning to get back to nursing. What are your message and advices to them, especially to nurses who are planning to take the NCLEX?
Yung message ko sa kanila, sir, parang mag-avail ng services nyo, sir. Kasi
Wow.
ang hirap talaga ng exam. Mas okay yung kayo na lang mag-process, tapos sila focus na lang talaga sa review. Para wala na sila iisipin. Kasi kung sila pa mag-process yung DIY, as in marami pa siya, sobrang stressful. Isipin niya pa yung NCLEX processing niya, kung may approval na ba. Tapos mag-review pa siya. Na, mahirap talaga, sir, para sa akin. Yun lang, sir. Kailangan kayo na lang mag-process, siya mag-focus na lang talaga sa review kasi para sa akin sobrang hirap talaga ng exam, sir. Sobra, as in.
Wow. Thank you so much for the recommendation, ma'am. Yun naman talaga yung goal natin. We respect those nurses who process DIY. But please take note that once you pass the NCLEX and hired by employers, lahat ng expenses mo for the NCLEX will be reimbursed by your employers. So kumbaga nag-invest lang talaga tayo. The most important thing is that hassle-free, you can focus on your exam preparation and review just like you. No, kahit sobrang hirap, you pass the NCLEX po. And again, ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your story. And we know that a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same. And your journey, ma'am, is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. We are happy and excited to see you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the USA. Congratulations, ma'am, and more power to you po.
Thank you din, sir. Thank you talaga sa lahat.